Real quick video today on a dress-up tip that I found that I wanted to share. I got this really cool black bike from my father-in-law's estate, and I've cleaned it up a little bit. I've made the lacing on the wheels radial just to kind of make it look a little nicer. It was way covered with stickers, and I took a bunch of them off. I think it looks pretty sharp now. The only trouble that I'm having is that the nuts on the wheels were starting to rust a little bit, and I put a little bit of rust dissolver, which is phosphoric acid, on them. And in the past, I thought that it turned the steel black, but in this case, it took all the remaining black that was on the steel, came off, and it left them kind of white and crusty. So anyway, this works out pretty well. Let me show you what I did. So I got the nut off the bike and hit it real quick with the wire brush, and there's still some smut on here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and heat it up a little bit, loosen some of that smut off. And as I'm heating it up, it's kind of hard to see in the video, but you can kind of see it. The stuff is starting to turn a little bit white and flaky here. So I just got it warmed up a bit here. I'll go ahead and cool it off in the water and hit it with the wire brush again. Alright, so I'm heating it up again. You don't want to get it red hot, but you do want it pretty hot. So trying to keep this in a flame while it's in the camera is a challenge here. But either way, just warming it up until it just starts to change color, but not red. Okay, so I overshot it a little bit, but it's starting to cool off. And I got some used motor oil here, and just dunk it in there. And just wipe it off with a napkin just to get the excess oil off. And now that nut is black. Now the process is called bluing, even though it's black, but that'll give me some reasonable rust protection. Not super great, but definitely better than nothing. And when I put it back on the bike, then it's going to look a lot better, I think, since the rest of the bike is black. And there we go. Looks much better. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.